Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we'll be box opening the newest Marvel hobby box in the market today. So this is the 2023-24 Marvel Annual. So do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we will be opening this newest box of Marvel cards. So this one is the Marvel Annual. So there are 16 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. So actually guys, this was released just this week in the US, and I believe this is the first time that someone will open a box of this one in the Philippines. So there's one premium insert per pack, and we can get the crystal clear plexi base set parallel cards. So what else can we get here? So we can also get the number 1 spot, gold linearity, star rookies, suspended animation, sketch cards, battle booklet sketch cards, creator corner autograph. All right. So we're very lucky if we get a sketch card here, much more the battle booklet, because that's a booklet of one of one sketch card. So we'll open this one without further ado. Good luck to us. Hoping we can get a very nice sketch card. So there you go. So as you can see, this is still sealed here. So we will open the sealed box with the sticker there, and there you go. So this is the newest Marvel set. So there are 16 cards. Okay, so 4, 8, 12, and 16. So we'll open this one first. Good luck to us. So I'll just put it here. So I think 5 cards per pack. So this is the first time that you will see the base card. So that's the base card, Madame Web. And let's see at the back. There, Madame Web, the attributes, the speed, intelligence, energy projection, fighting skills, durability, and strength. There. Madame Web. Our first insert, number 1 spot. So this one is Midnight Suns number 1. Right? Yeah, Midnight Suns number 1, 2022. So the comics, and we have the variant. So it's in matte finish, Captain Britain. Very nice, very nice. Look at that one. So matte finish, and the base, Dazzler and Brielle Brooks. All right, so in every pack you can get 2 inserts. So the variant, matte, and another insert. Okay, so next pack. So we have Carnage. This is a nice Carnage. We have something gold here. Elsa Bloodstone. We'll start with, we have 2 inserts here. Shang-Chi. Nice. So Shang-Chi is a Chinese superhero, and I think there will be a movie again featuring the one of the first Filipina movie Marvel character Wave. So hopefully it gets approved and going. Superheroes of the Year, Ghost Riders. That's a nice insert. And wow, Venom. So this is Backscatters. So this is a sticker, I believe. Same from last year. So backscatters and Ghost Rider Superheroes of the Year. Nice. Ghost Rider. Okay, so we'll just check it first. Then Elsa Bloodstone base. Okay, next pack. So we have Chasm, Cyclops, Sam Wilson at the back. We have top teams of 2022 X-Men. And what is this? Kate Pride. So what do you call this one? So that's a difference. Like there's a marble coating. So that's nice. So another variant. Let us see later what variant is that one. So base set gold, crystal clear, purple. So because it's not numbered, so that will be different. Okay, so next pack. We have Beast. Oh, we have a 3D here. Beast. Superheroes of the Year. Magneto. At the back, Storm. Base card. And we have multiple dimensions. So this one is Exterminators. Multiple dimensions. So this is X23. Yep, X23. That's a nice card. All right, next pack. So we have Taiguchi, Stick, Phoenix, and we have number 1 spot, Black Panther, Unconquered. And our variant is Destiny. All right. So it's just like our first pack. I think the multiple dimensions is a box hit. But hoping that we get more hits in this box. So we have Miles Morales, Valkyrie, Miss Marvel. So this is another number 1 spot. X-Men number 1. And Emma Frost variant. Okay. Next pack. So we have Boom Boom. We have Ajax, Moon Knight, our 2 hits. Top teams, Brotherhood of Araco. And our, like the pearl, is Venom. Nice. So another variant, Venom. And this one, top teams of 2022. Next pack. We have Shatra, Thing, Hulk, and we have another Superheroes of the Year, Miss Marvel, and another Pearl, Ajax. All right. Next pack. We have Star Brand, the General, Kid Omega. A number one spot is X-Men Red. And the variant is Monolith. Okay. Next pack. We have Hallows Eyes, Hallows Eve, Black Panther, Laura Kinney. Our number one spot is Gold Goblin. And our variant, She-Hulk. Nice. She-Hulk with our black base variant. Ooh, and we have something here. So we have our first star rookie, Lyra Bloodstone. And our crystal clear, Ajax. And it's 9 of 25. So our first star rookie. And we have a Ajax 9 of 25 crystal clear. Look at that. It's a plexiglass. And it's numbered to 25. Congratulations to us. So that's our two biggest hits. The number to 25 and this X23 multiple dimensions 3D. So let's see. So Star Rookies is 1 per 10 pack. So that's 1 per box. And it's either you get a suspended, you get a sketch card, a creator's corner autograph, suspended animation, gold linearity parallel, hologram parallel, crystal clear parallel, purple diamond parallel, and printing plates. For contains to 1:16. So this is the box hit. So that's a nice box. Next pack, we have Venom. We have Fantastic Four, number one spot, Gas Lamp, Shatterstar, and our variant is Marvel Girl. So this one is 1 per box. So this one is Lyra Bloodstone. So Star Rookies sometimes, as you all know, like in NBA cards, there are rookie cards. So this is the first rookie card of this character, Lyra Bloodstone. So that's a nice one. Okay. Next pack. We have Jack of Hearts, Falcon at the back, Doctor Doom. We have this one, the top teams of 2022. And this is the new Fantastic Four. Nice. So this is Wolverine, Spider-Man, Ghost Rider, and is that the Thing or a Kingpin? So let's see first. Boom Boom, our next variant. So it's Joe Fixit. Okay, so Spider-Man, Joe Fixit, Ghost Rider, and Wolverine. So, there at the back, you can also see the different characters. Nice. Okay, we're going to our last 3 packs. Last 3 packs. And we're done with this break. I wanted to see more of the top teams of 2022. So, Mr. Fantastic, Mystique, We have Shuri. So this is number 1 spot. Legion of X. And our variant is Makari. Okay, last 2 packs. I saw the checklist and our own superhero wave is not here. She was in 2 years ago. She was in the Marvel Annual base set, but not this year. So we have Ghost Rider. So we have another gold, the superheroes of the year. Kate Pride at the back, Maria Hill. Next, our next superheroes of the year, She-Hulk. And the crystal parallel Mary Jane. Okay. And the last pack of the break. So we're not expecting any hits because of we've got 2 already. But who knows? Maybe this last pack contains another hit. Let's see. So we have Mary Jane. So it's just the number 1 spot and the variant. Photon. Uranus the Undying. Our number 1 spot, Spider-Man. And our variant is Ghost Spider for my PC. Nice. Gwen Stacy, Ghost Spider. So I have something to collect. So again, guys, just a recap of what we got. All right, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number 1 spots. There you go. We have the matte parallel variant of the base cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also. Then we've got the crystal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including a Venom crystal parallel. We've got a superheroes of the year. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ghost Rider, Magneto, Miss Marvel, and She-Hulk. These are nice because of the gold border. We have top teams of 2022, 3. Brotherhood of Araco, X-Men, and the new Fantastic Four. And our 4 best hits of the break. We've got the Backscatter, Venom, B14. We've got the Star Rookie, the rookie card of a character, Marvel character. So this one is Lyra Bloodstone. We have the Multiple Dimensions X23. They're MD10, the hologram version. Nice, so you can see. And our best hit of the break, the only numbered card. It's a plexiglass Marvel Annual of Ajax, numbered 9 of 25. So there you go, guys. So what do you think of this product, Marvel Annual? Well, for me, this is a nice product every year. And it's always nice to see your favorite characters in the annual set. And basically, we have very nice hits in this break. So there you go. So if you want to see more contents like this, guys, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. Till the next break. Bye!